Hello, welcome to today's math mini lesson review. We are going to quickly review all the first grade types of addition math facts that we know. So far this year, these are all of the addition facts that we know. We talked about different ways to group these facts into ones that we should remember and we should know fluently, which means quickly and accurately. We have our plus zero facts, which we know that any number plus zero means the number is not going to change. The sum is going to be whatever number you're adding to zero. Okay, some examples of plus zero facts would be like 0 plus 0 is 0, and 10 plus 0 equals 10. The next type of math fact that we know are the plus one facts. Okay, if plus zero facts, the number doesn't change, then a plus one fact, it's just the answer is going to be one more than the number you're adding to 1. For example, here are some plus one facts. 1 plus 2 equals 3. If you're adding one more to 2, the answer is just going to be 1 next. What comes after 2 if you're counting? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is one more than 2. 0 plus one more is 1. Again, you're just counting up from 0. If we had 3 plus 1, the answer is going to be one more than 3. What's that going to be, everyone? Yes, 4 is the correct answer. So those are plus zero facts and plus one facts. I'm going to turn my phone the other way. The next type of math fact that you should be pretty quick at, like this, are the doubles facts. Okay, doubles facts are numbers that you just double. Like if I say 2 doubled, it's the same thing as 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. The double of 5, or 5 plus 5, is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10, which also brings me to our next math fact. Sum of 10 facts. Sum of 10 facts are all the math facts that equal to 10, which means they have a sum of 10. If you're not sure what this word sum means, sum is the answer in any addition problem. So the sum of 5 plus 5 is 10. Here are some other sum of 10 facts. 5 plus 5 is 10. We just did that one. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And here's another math fact, a turnaround fact. If I turned around the 3 and the 7, if I flip-flopped them to make 3 plus 7, what do you think the sum is going to be? Right, 10. If 7 plus 3 has a sum of 10, then the turnaround, when you flip-flop, is going to be the same. 3 plus 7 is also going to be 10. Just like 6 plus 4 is what, everyone? 10, right? Another sum of 10 fact. So if I turn it around, put the 4 on top and the 6 on the bottom, what do you think 4 plus 6 would be? Yes, you've got it. This 10, the sum, does not change. Even if I put 4 on top plus 6 down here at the bottom, my sum will still be 10. The only numbers that don't have the turnaround, or the only type of math facts that do not have the turnaround, are doubles facts, like 5 plus 5, 2 plus 2. That's because if you turned around the numbers in a doubles fact, it's going to be the same problem. 2 plus 2 is 4. If I flip-flopped my 2's, it's still going to be 2 plus 2. So doubles facts do not have turnarounds. Okay, but all these other ones do. The turnaround of some of our plus zero facts, like 10 plus 0 equals 10, turnaround would be 0 plus 10, and the answer would not change. The sum would still be 10. We could do turnaround facts with plus 1 too. Here I have 3 plus 1 is 4. So if I turn it around, whoop, my 1 and my 3, the sum will be, you guessed it, 4. So there's a review of all the types of math problems, math facts that we know this year for addition. We know +0 facts, where the answer is just the number you're adding to 0. So if I had 10 plus 0, the answer is still going to be 10. We have +1 facts, where the answer is 1 more than what you're adding to 1. So if you're adding 0 to 1, the answer is 1 more. It's just 1. 1 is 1 more than 0. If you have 1 plus 2, or the turnaround, 2 plus 1, the answer is going to be 1 more than the 2 that you're adding. So 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 1, both answers, the sum is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, or 2 plus 1 more is 3. We talked about doubles facts that do not have turnarounds because you're just taking a number and adding it to itself, like 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 5 is 10. And then the last math fact, the sum of 10 facts, where all the no matter how many combinations you find, the sum's going to be 10. These are problems like 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, or the turnaround 4 plus 6 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. You could also take 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8, and you'll still get a sum of 10. Another one would be 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1, and they also have a sum of 10. The only one I did not write up here, but I talked about, are your turnaround facts, where you just flip-flop the numbers, but the sum does not change. So there, a brief mini lesson math review on turnaround facts, sum of 10 facts, doubles facts, +1 facts, and +0 facts. It's really, really, really important that you review these different types of math facts that we know quickly, along with all your other basic math facts up to 10. Because you should be very, very quick at solving those at this point in the school year. If you're not, then maybe you should check out some additional videos so you can practice some of your addition facts to 10. Because later on this week, I'm going to be posting a lesson on how to add 2-digit numbers. That's right, you heard me correctly. I'm going to add some new math on here. So if you're not really strong with all of these different types of math and all of your basic math facts to 10, make sure you review and you get quick and you get fluent at them. Okay, thank you for tuning in today. There was your brief review on the addition math facts that we know.